Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther, and today we're gonna take a look at how to bend text in After Effects. Alright, so in my case, I went with these 3D letters exported from Illustrator, separately of course in each layer. And now I'm gonna go to After Effects. I'm gonna drag and drop the vector file in which I created the isometric letters, and I'm gonna choose one letter, and I'm gonna go with the first, which basically would be the letter R. Let's see, I'm gonna drag and drop here. I'm gonna right click, create, and select create shapes from vector layer. I'm gonna delete the original AI file. And I'm gonna show you how to bend this isometric text. Now there's a special plugin that can bend anything that is shape layer or PDF, and it's called BENDIO. I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can download the plugin, and I'm gonna go to the effects and presets, type in BENDIO. And I'm gonna drop the plugin on the letter R, and it's gonna activate the settings. As you can see, it cut off the beginning of the letter R and the ending of the letter R, but you can increase it with the width ratio. Right now it's 100%. You increase it and it's gonna look something like that. And we got here the bend, which is on 0 right now. You can increase it or decrease it, and this is how you bend and animate basically. Now you also got the start and the end. So I'm gonna click here on this dot, and I can position the start where to be. For example, I'm gonna put it here at the beginning. You can see it cut off the end, but I'm gonna increase the width ratio more, and let's see what happens now. Now it's bending the end. You also can see that it's distorting it a little bit, but you can fix that. Now I'm also gonna position the end. I'm gonna put the end somewhere here. Now it's really smooth. You also can switch up the two dots, so it's gonna animate the beginning and the end is gonna be still. In my case, I also animated the letter R first, so I'm gonna press the letter P for position. I'm gonna put this to the beginning, activate the stopwatch, and I'm gonna put the letter R outside of the artboard. I'm gonna bring it to the first second, and I'm gonna bring it back to the center. I'm gonna go to the 0.15th frame, and I'm gonna bring it in. I'm gonna go to the first second. I also gonna copy paste this frame, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V here. And I'm gonna go to 1:15, and I'm gonna go out all the way somewhere here. I'm gonna select all the keyframes, press F9 to easy ease. So this way it's gonna be more smoother. Okay, so from here we're gonna use BENDIO. In order to activate, you need to click on here on the FX. And when it goes out, we're gonna need to bend the letter R. So let's see if this is bending. So right now it's bending the end like that. And I want to bend the beginning. So I'm gonna pull this here at the beginning. And of course, don't forget this dot. I'm gonna pull this out here until it's gonna be normal. And I'm gonna pull this here. Now, if I go, as you can see, it's gonna bend it. Let me arrange this real quick. I'm gonna bring these guys back. So it comes in and it goes like that. I'm also gonna need to increase the width ratio more, and there you go. So it comes in, it bends and goes out. And this is how I work with this plugin. Thanks for watching.